Hi friends, welcome you to my YouTube channel Smart Study Point. Friends, in this video I will tell you about one of the most important part of the mathematics, that is construction. In this video I will tell you about construction of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree and 180 degree. Yes, I know these are not much difficult, but these are the basics of construction. Before to do much difficult construction, we should know this simple construction. So friends, how to do it? I will tell you. To do the construction, first make your geometry equipments ready perfectly. So first I will tell you about 30 degree and 60 degree. So friends, the main basics are 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree. These are the basics. Out of these all you can find any degrees. So now I will take one line, any line you can take here. Now this is a point. So now from this point I will construct a 60 degree first. So to construct a 60 degree, from your compass you can take any big arc as you want. It is according to the question given in the exam. So I will not take much bigger, it's a medium size. So now keep the point perfectly on the point which you are marked on the line segment. Keep it perfectly and you draw any arc and draw a arc. You can see friends, this is the arc, any arc I have drawn here. So to construct 60 degree, you should keep the compass like this. You should not move the compass and you should not move the needle and pencil of the compass. And now what you have to do, you just keep the point here where the arc is intersecting the line. Here you keep the point and draw another one arc there. You can see friends, the intersection point we got, this is 60 degree. So this point, from this point you draw any line. This is the 60 degree. From any line you can make 60 degree. And now about 90 degree and 120 degree. So to construct 120 degree also, you should not move the compass. Keep it perfectly. And from the intersection point of here, from here you draw another one arc here. This point you got, it is the 120 degree, because this is the 60 and we have not disturbed the compass and drawn another one arc. So this will be 120, as 60 into 2 is 120. So now you draw any line here. And now the angle you will get is the 120 degree. So now this big angle you got is 120 degree. And now we have to calculate 90 degree. How to calculate 90 degree? You can see friends, this is 120 degree and this is 60 degree. 120 plus 60 by 2 is 90. So now this angle plus this angle by 2 is 90 degrees. So you bisect these 2 points and bisect these and bisect this angle. You will bisect this in between angle to get 90 degree. How to bisect? Keep the point here. Take any arc. Take any arc more than half. So more than half means I can take it 120 degree, no problem, because 120 is more than half of 60. And keeping the point here, I will take another one. More than half we are given, so it is not necessary that we will take only more than half. And now the point we got, it is the 90 degree. Friends, after that you will measure it, you will get the perfect angles. And now 180 degree. So friends, I have not taken these two more than half and taken it perfectly. So because I can construct it 180 degree. 60 into 2 is 120 and 60 into 3 is 180. So now from here another one, the same 60-degree angle I will cut here, that is the 180 degree. Friends, basically 180 degree is a straight line, so there is no problem to construct 180 degree. Friends, it's a little bit coming different because my pencil is not been sharpened and my rounder is not been sharpened. So if you will take it perfectly, then you will get the perfect answers. And now how to construct 30 degree? So this is 60 degree, the half of 60 degree is 30 degree. It is common and it is very easy. So now bisect these two angles to get to 60 degree. Sorry, to get to 30 degree. And now from here, now I can take more than half, no problem. Here by taking more than half, I will cut an arc here. And from here, by taking more than half, I will cut another one arc here. And this point you got, it bisects this 60-degree angle. So therefore, this point is the 30-degree point. This point we got. So now this angle we got, it is 30 degree. As I mentioned, how to calculate 150 degree. You can also calculate many angles, but these are the basics we need. 150 degree comes between 120 and 180, because 120 plus 180 by 2 is 150, and if you bisect this angle, we will get the perfect 150 degree. So now from here, keep the point, and now by taking more than half, bisect this angle. Here the point has not come perfectly, so you can take here, and this point you got, it is the 150 line. So the angle now we will get is the 150 degree. So friends, these are the basics of the construction. So the small angle, it is 30 degree, and the big we have got, it is the big we have got, it is the 60 degree, and this one we got, it is the 120 degree, and from here it is 90 degree. So this point, it will be a perpendicular, so this is a 90 degree, and from here to here it is 120 degree. I will mark here 120 degree, and now as this is the bisector, this is 120 mark, 120 degree, and this is the whole, this angle is 180 degree, and as this is the bisector, this angle is 150 degree. This angle is 150 degree. So friends, in this video I have told you about the basic of the construction. In the next video I will tell you more about the chapter construction. So friends, thanks for watching.